My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Nick, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so just like I did yesterday, we got two early sneaker reviews. You know, we gonna be kicking them out. 2025, I'm gonna be giving y'all more content because y'all deserve more content. So I don't know if this is the first video y'all watching or the second video, but I have already done one review. So go check that out. I ain't gonna say what it is. I don't know which video y'all watching, but there is 2 reviews that's dropping today. So check out both of them. So about to go to the spot, get the shoe, do a review. Then after that, I'm gonna go and give you, go back to the house, give you all proper information about price and all that good stuff. So enjoy the review, and I'll be back after it. All right, okay, we got the regular KD box, all black. KD in the center of it right there. Let's get you the subscription. Oh, well, KD signature right there, as you can see. Turn this around. Reads, Nike Zoom KD4 Photo Blue Lemon Twist. As you can see, this is a size 14, so this is not a personal pair. I just wanted to give y'all this early review. Nike right there. My size in KD's is like an 8.5, 9, really a 9. But I will be copping this shoe because I get all KD4s. I love KD4s. I said this in all my KD4 videos. I love them. All right, open this up. White paper, nothing special. Boom, got one right there. 2. Set this up for y'all. Boom. Put that right there. And without further ado, we got the Nike KD4 scoring title. Boom. Okay, so we got the Nike KD4 scoring titles. I'm pretty sure these are the scoring titles. I could be wrong, but I'm like 99% sure. Once I get home, I'll give you all the proper information like release date, retail price, and all the actual name and everything like that. But I'm pretty sure these scoring titles. I had these before. If I can find the picture of me having these, I will post it right there, right now. But I don't think I took a picture with these. But I used to have all the KD4s. Like, I was obsessed with the KD4. The KD4s and LeBron 10s. I want to say that I had all of them. But yeah, see that lemon yellow coming around, blue midsole, got some more of that. I don't really know what that is. I mean, they got the Nike swoosh right there. I don't know what 28 signifies. I forgot, but I see that KD 35 right there. I forgot what 28 stands for. But again, like I said, when I get home, I'm gonna give y'all proper information about everything. See that right there on the back. I know y'all probably like, yo, this is a basketball shoe, but I just love KD4s. This is what I did not do for the other KD4s. I did not open this up because usually he be having little messages, and there is no message. But this is the adaptive fit. This is back in the day when KD4s was popular, when they jumped out. The adaptive fit was like the leading thing in technology, where it's like supposed to adapt to your foot and like strap you in and everything like that. Supposed to really give you good control and good feel to it. So this was, back in the day, KD4s was the best basketball shoe out, probably next to Kobe's or whatever like that. And Kyrie's was good too, but I loved KD's, whatever like that. I had, like I said, I had damn near every one. I even had the Texas ones. That was his college one. And I like how they are re-releasing. This might be the thumbnail right there. Let me see. That'd probably be the thumbnail. I like that. Anyway, I like how they're retro on the KD4s because I think KD is like in his 12th or 17th. I forgot which signature shoe he's on right now, but in my opinion, the KD4s was the best ones. What y'all think? Is this a cop or drop? Y'all let me know. All right, let me get back to the spot so I can give y'all some proper info. This might be the thumbnail too. I like that too. But I can get back to the spot so I can give y'all some proper information about this shoe. So stay tuned. Okay. Back at the house, as you can see. Time to give y'all some proper information about the shoe I just gave y'all a review on. I hope y'all enjoyed my little smaller review on the KD4 scoring titles. And I was right, it is a scoring titles. I'm on nicekicks.com right now. Shout out to nicekicks.com. Let's get it up on the screen. 2, 1. Should be up right now. You can read it right next to me. It's even on that side to side, but you should be able to read along with me. Here we go. Nike KD4 scoring title. All right, another gem for the Nike KD line returns as the KD4 scoring title releases in 2025. In 2024, the swoosh, brought back coveted colorways have returned, such as the Weatherman, the Nerf, the Galaxy, the Arm Pearl, and the Christmas, which I all have. I have all of them right there. Like, I am a big KD4 fan. Like, I'm a big KD4 fan. There's a little Instagram post that Nice Kick had posted. It says for 2025, the Nike KD Retro run continues with the release of the KD4 scoring title iteration. First released in 2012. Just seems like just yesterday. And I don't have a picture. I think I said I was gonna put a picture up of my pair with the KD4, and I don't think I have the picture. Well, if you saw a picture there, that means I had it. I haven't even gone through my Facebook to see. Yes, Facebook, I'm old. I haven't even gone through my Facebook to see if I have a picture of the scoring titles. But if it was one, when I said it was early in the video, when I said I was going to put one up, that means I had it. So, the pair was created in celebration of Kevin Durant's third straight NBA scoring title. I forgot that he won three straight. And that's what the 28 for. Remember I said when I was on the review, what did the 28 stand for? It stands for how much points he averaged that year that this shoe came out. Because I'm reading it. I'm already jumping ahead of it, but y'all can see it on the screen. It says, designed with a yellow and blue look, the pair features the numbers 30.1, 27.7, and 28. Durant's point per game average during those 3 seasons. I didn't even see the 30.1 and the 27.7. I did see the 28. A light yellow swoosh adorned the pair's signature midfoot. The 2025 pair is expected to be a 1-to-1 retro of the 2012 version. I guess that means it's completely retro, like it's completely the same. OG, like that. The release February 14th, Valentine's Day, at for $130, which is not bad. It's a basketball shoe, so there we go. I do not remember seeing, that he had 28 on the tongue. I don't remember seeing another thing. Okay, but that's enough of that. Valentine's Day. Yo, February is crazy. Black metallics. These KDs. The other KDs that I did a review on, go check that out. What was the KDs I did a review on? I just did a KD review yesterday. I forgot which one it was. They come out in February. Another pair of Jordans come out in February. The red toes. Oh, the black toes. The black toes or red toes? I think it's a black toes. I think it was a black toe. But February is a big month. And these are only the shoes that I know about. Like, I'm pretty sure some other, and then they all close to each other. So, I don't know. February is a big month of shoes, and I am getting all of them. Like, I'm getting all of them. But January has been so dry. I think I bought one shoe maybe in January, if I'm not mistaken. What shoe did I get in January? Was it some KDs? I can't even remember what I bought this month. I know it's some Jordans. Oh, the threes, the Black Cat threes. That was it. I think that was one. I maybe bought another pair. I can't even think. But January's been dry. But February, about to be big. But anyway, like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.